What's up, everyone? Tech Marlos here, back again with another review. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you apartment dwellers, RV adventurers, or just anyone tight on space. It's the RCA top-load portable washing machine. Compact, lightweight, yet powerful. And if you're looking for a sweet deal, check out the link in the description for a heavy discount. Let's get into it. First things first, durability. The RCA comes with a stainless steel drum, which is a game changer for long-lasting performance. This thing is built to handle the heavy loads, whether it's towels, bedding, or your everyday laundry. That's a serious upgrade over those cheap plastic tubs you see in other portable machines. Rugged enough to withstand daily use, yet gentle enough not to tear up your clothes. That's a win-win in my book. Now, here's one of my favorite features, the quiet operation. I mean, this thing is 72 decibels. That's quieter than a normal conversation. Perfect for small spaces like dorms or apartments where you don't want to wake up the entire building just to do a load of laundry. If peace and quiet are a priority for you, this washer's got you covered. Whether you're in a small apartment, an RV, or just need a portable laundry solution, this washer is a breeze to relocate when you need to. Now, let's talk about how smart this little washer is. It comes with an LED display and a one-touch control panel. Super simple. Just hit start, choose your settings, and you're good to go. You've got 5 washing programs to choose from. Whether you're washing delicates or heavy fabrics, this washer has you covered. And setting it up, it's a breeze with the quick connect sync adapter. Just plug it in, hook it up, and you're ready to wash. Efficiency is key here. The stainless steel water basin ensures your clothes get a thorough clean every time, no matter how heavy the load. Towels, bedding, you name it. Safety is always a concern, right? RCA thought of that too. It comes with a child safety lock. Just hold down to buttons, and boom, no more accidental starts or stops. If you've got little ones around, this feature is a game changer. So, what's the verdict? The RCA top-load portable washing machine is definitely a smart choice if you're looking for a compact, efficient, and quiet washer that doesn't skimp on features. With its durable build, advanced tech, and safety features, it's perfect for any space challenge setup. And don't forget, if you want to pick one up, check out the link in the description for a sweet discount. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.